Hello, my name is Amy, and I am Bright Spark Electrical Services Video Virtual Assistant. Karen has asked me to explain what we are going to be doing when we carry out the electrical inspection at your property, this also known as an Electrical Installation Condition Report. Or for short it's an EICR. Or Landlord's Certificate. Or even a Home Buyer's Report. Our electrician arrives, our electrician will be looking around your property to ascertain the number of switches, sockets and light fittings. They may also be looking at any fixed appliances in the property as well. Next they would check their operation, do they work? After this the electrician will be disconnecting from the wall sockets all plugs etc. But may leave some essential equipment left on until they need to turn off the power. Our electrician will need to have full access to the fuse box, otherwise known as a consumer unit. Here they will be opening up the front of the fuse box to reveal the cables. At this point all the electricity to your property will be turned off, in order for the electrician to make electrical checks. This could be up to a couple of hours. Please don't worry about fridges and freezers. As long as the doors are kept shut for the entirety. The contents should not have any issues about thawing out. They are normally suggested that the food and goods within can stay fresh for at least 12 to 15 hours. Our electrician will be also opening up socket outlets, along with light switches and light fittings. By law they have to open up at least 10% to check wear and tear along with deterioration of cables etc. All electrical installations deteriorate with age and use, and therefore should be inspected and tested at regular intervals to check whether they are in a satisfactory condition for continued use. Once completed, you or your landlord will be issued with an Electrical Installation Condition Report (EICR). This inspection will reveal if any of your electrical circuits or equipment are overloaded, find any potential electric shock risks and potential fire hazards, identify any defective electrical work, highlight any lack of safety earthing or bonding. The tests also carried out on wiring and fixed electrical equipment to check that they are safe. For any further questions please do not hesitate to telephone Karen in the office on the phone number below. Or you can speak with the electrician when they arrive. Thank you for watching.